What's up, everybody? We're out here at our open house. It's Thursday before Dino's Get Down, which is Friday and Saturday. We've got old builds, new builds, shops open up, Ikandy and myself. We're gonna have a DJ out here and it's gonna be a great time. Hope to see you in about, watch is broken, but maybe like an hour and a half or so. See you then.
Hey guys, Brian, Tray 5 Customs. Great open house. Dino's Get Down mixer. Can't believe the turnout. So happy that all you guys came out. Sorry we blew through the pizzas before everybody got some, but next year we'll get more. And we'll see everybody at the Get Down tomorrow.